Do you know, I'm quite bored of this channel and I'm going to leave it very soon. Do you know, I met your best friend today and she was gossiping about you. Hey, you must be thinking, why am I telling you these things? Do you believe in my words? If yes, then you are a credulous person. In this video, you will learn the meaning of the word credulous, its synonyms, and example sentences. So let's begin. The word credulous means ready to believe easily or trust too readily. Synonyms of this word can be naive, gullible, dupable, over-trusting. Let us now see how this word is used in different sentences. Number 1. Young children are very credulous with anything that a respected adult says. Next sentence. Credulous people are always innocent at heart and are easily deceived. Next. Credulous people are easily misled by false advertisements. So, think twice before believing in something. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning. Kindly like, share and follow this channel and don't forget to subscribe it. Waiting for your valuable comment. Stay blessed.